days, more and more companies are realizing the value in customizing their personal protective equipment. Sure, it's a great way to promote your business, but did you know that outfitting workers with customized PPE also promotes professionalism, loyalty, and unity? And many companies find that employees are more likely to wear PPE that's customized with their company's logo. But until now, providing employees with PPE that's customized, high quality, and comfortable was no easy task. MSC understands these frustrations and has given this process the upgrade it needed. MSC has partnered with global safety leader Milwaukee Tool to transform an outdated system that takes months to a no-hassle one that takes just minutes to order and as little as 2 weeks to process. Milwaukee's high-quality safety vests and head protection solutions can be fully customized with your company's logo using a simple online tool you won't find anywhere else. Quickly upload your company logo, chosen text or graphics, and you can even make real-time adjustments via the 3D visual portal. We use state-of-the-art technology and best-in-class digital printing for more intricate designs than traditional pad or silk screen printing. No more frustrating back and forth, just a simple process with beautiful results. As you can see from this helmet, there are no limits to the color and the clarity that we can accomplish. Don't let your employees be among the countless accidents, injuries, and fatalities that occur each year by not wearing the proper PPE. Beyond staying compliant and avoiding fines, PPE saves lives and prevents injuries. What's the most common reason employees state for not wearing PPE? Discomfort. That's why MSC and Milwaukee Tool have taken the time to understand workers' needs and apply user-driven innovation to develop premium head protection and safety vests from the ground up right here in the USA. Sound too good to be true? Discover how easy it is to order high-quality customized PPE. To create a PDF with your custom logo, please visit mscdirect.com/Milwaukee-PPE and contact your MSC representative to place the order.